Bitcoin Crypto Daily News Podcast, October 23rd, 2025. Welcome back to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News Podcast. It's Wednesday, October 23rd, and we're bringing you the must-know moves and stories shaping today's crypto markets. Coming up, Bitcoin's rollercoaster ride below $107,000, a surge in U.S. crypto activity under President Trump, and a big leap forward in Bitcoin payments technology. Let's get into it. First up, U.S. crypto transaction volume rockets 50% higher in 2025. Crypto is booming in America, and politics are fueling the fire. According to TRM Labs, U.S. crypto transactions topped $1 trillion from January to July, up 50% year over year. What's driving this growth? President Trump's administration has pivoted hard to pro-crypto policies, appointing a crypto and AI Czar, ending key SEC lawsuits, and actively promoting the sector. The SEC, now under a pro-crypto chair, ended high-profile legal battles and kicked off Project Crypto to make the U.S. a global crypto hub. Enforcement actions are down, and the new Genius Act has created reserve requirements for stablecoins, sending transaction volumes soaring 83% over the past year. But there's controversy too. Trump and his family have directly profited from new meme coins and DeFi projects, raising questions about transparency and conflicts of interest. Takeaway: U.S. regulatory flexibility is boosting both trading volumes and political debate. If you're investing or building in the States, the policy winds right now are blowing in crypto's favor, but always watch for sudden shifts. Moving on, Bitcoin tumbles to 106,000 after all-time high. What's behind the correction? After a jaw-dropping rally to over $114,000, Bitcoin took a breather, dipping to just under 107,000. Analysts say this isn't panic, it's healthy market rotation. Traders have been taking profits, leverage bets have been flushed out, and rising U.S. dollar strength plus new China tariffs under Trump's trade policy have made markets a bit jumpy. MicroStrategy's massive Bitcoin buys added to the suspense, making traders more cautious. Still, most analysts think this is normal market behavior, a rational deleveraging as institutional money resets for the next move. As long as Bitcoin defends the key 100 to 105,000 zone, many see this as a pause, not a reversal. Short-term volatility remains, but long-term sentiment stays constructive. Takeaway: if you're a Bitcoin investor, don't let a 10% swing knock you off your game. Watch for support levels, and remember, Bitcoin's price is increasingly tied to global macro and political moves. Now, for technology, new Arcade protocol promises easier Bitcoin payments. Could it challenge Ethereum? Bitcoin has long struggled for easy, everyday payments. That's changing fast with the public beta launch of Arcade, a new protocol layer built by AI Labs. Arcade is being called the most important Bitcoin innovation since the Lightning Network. It aims to combine Bitcoin's security with the ease of traditional fintech, all without relying on third-party custodians. Early adopters include major Bitcoin exchanges and wallet apps like Swan, Bull Bitcoin, and Breeze. Arcade introduces centralized service providers, but users maintain cryptographic control of their funds. The big difference? Arcade unlocks more user-friendly payments and even Ethereum-style DeFi features, think lending, trading, and tokenization, all on top of Bitcoin. Takeaway: if you use Bitcoin for payments, keep an eye on Arcade and similar innovations. Easier, more flexible payments could finally make spending Bitcoin as smooth as sending an email. Quick roundup. Altcoins: XRP teeters at $2.40 as whales offload over $2.6 billion. Support at $2.28 is under heavy pressure. Security alert: developers, beware, a fake Ethereum package on NuGet tried to steal Ethereum wallet keys using a sneaky name trick. Always double-check library sources before integrating them. Crypto ETFs: income ETFs boasting 50% dividends sound great, but many are losing value as they rely on futures and leverage. Long-term investors may want to stick with spot crypto or diversified exposure. That's your daily crypto briefing. To recap, U.S. crypto activity is at record highs, Bitcoin's price reset is normal market action, and Bitcoin's payment technology is getting a real boost. Stay tuned for the next episode by subscribing or following us for daily updates. For charts, links, and the latest on every story, visit our website. Thanks for listening, and remember, in crypto, staying informed is staying ahead.